Welcome back, everybody. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd. You are currently watching the video that I'm going to be posting right here. Once you're done watching this video, you'll go back into Schoology and you will click on this link down at the bottom that says Mod Wednesday, September 2nd Division Representation. When you click on that link, it will take you to this web page right here. Okay, so you're going to make sure you put in your full first name, your full last name, and then select which class period you're in. Then you will click Next, and it will take you to your first problem. Here it says which verbal description is equivalent to the division problem shown here. So the first thing you need to do is figure out how to read this division problem. And it is read from left to right. So it's 8 divided by 16. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to the answer choices and figure out which one of these answer choices represents this problem. I have 8 divided by 16, 16 divided into groups of 8, 16 plus groups of 8, and then 16 minus groups of 8. Okay, so which one of these 4 answer choices represents this problem? Once you select the answer choice, you'll scroll down and click Next, and it'll take you to problem number 2. This one says which verbal description would not be equivalent to the division problem shown here. Okay, so first we need to read this division problem, and it's 20 divided by 4, because 20 over 4 is just 20 divided by 4. And remember, we're looking for which one does not represent this problem below. Okay, so I have 4 divided by 20, 20 divided by 4, 20 divided into 4 equal groups, and 20 divided into groups of 4. Okay, so one of these does not represent this problem above. Okay, so once you select your answer, click Next, it'll take you to problem number 3. Problem number 3 says, which representation is not equivalent to the picture shown here? Okay, so first we need to analyze this picture. I see I have 2 groups, and then I have how many dots in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots in each group. And so I have a total of 14 dots, which are 7 in each group, and there are 2 groups. Okay, so then I go down and look at my answer choices, and remember, when it's a division house, we read from the inside out. So this is read 2 divided by 14. And so then the next answer would be 14 divided by 2. The next one is 14 divided by 2. And then the last one is 14 divided into equal groups. Okay, so remember, we're looking for which one is not equivalent. So which one of these answer choices down here would not represent this problem up here? Okay, you select the answer choice that is correct, click Next, and then you're going to go down to the last problem. It says, Hazel and Abraham were asked to represent the verbal description 12 divided by 4 using math symbols and numbers. Who is not correct, and where was an error made? Okay, so looking, I am going to select which one is not correct. Remember, it was 12 divided by 4. Okay, so looking, is Hazel incorrect or is Abraham incorrect? So we have to know how to read these, which I've already gone over 2 examples of how to read fractions and how to read the division house. So you're going to scroll down and select who is not correct, and it will give you why it's not correct. So you're saying Hazel's not correct. She should have written her 12 as the denominator and her 4 as the numerator. Or Abraham is not correct. He should have written his 12 as the dividend inside the house and 4 as the divisor outside the house. Okay, once you're done with selecting the answer, you're going to click Submit at the very end. Once you've submitted the Google form, you're going to go back into Schoology, and you need to click Submit Assignment. When you click Submit Assignment, this box will pop up. You need to click Create, and you will tell me that I am done, and you'll click Submit. Once you click submit, you are done with today's assignment and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful rest of your day.